Pat, pat, pat. Gentle when you're playing with other people. Hey, Annabelle. How do you say your name? She just said it. Annabelle, right? Elmo? You guys gonna have a tea party?
Tea party.
Tea party.
This one. This one.
Mmm. That's good. Yum, 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 yum. Mm. Alcon. Look at you. You're all happy. Oh, I don't want to let Tucky in. Tucky's going to stay outside, okay?
Sure.
Nope. Shy. Stay.
Stay. Tucky.
I just can't believe how much.
Outside. No, not outside. We're going to play inside with Oliver. What does Oliver call you? He call you Annabelle?
Oh.
What's her? Oliver. What's her name? What's her name? He's too excited.
Baby. Aww. So cute. Is that a fire truck? Where's the fireman? The fireman was right in there. Oh, I know. Hi. Hi. Mwah. You kissing your baby? Aww.
Baby?
Baby? Thank you. No, you want baby? Show Oliver your baby. Hi. Oops, my finger is down. But that's one thing, like, if you hold it, like, just like this, the finger goes down. Want to do tea party? Tea party. Let's do tea party.
Tea party.
Here, Annabelle. Here's a cup. Go.
Can you pour the tea?
You get the other cup? There we go.
I don't know how he knows to do that.
Mmm. Yeah, I don't know. She knew how to use it right away, too. Maybe it's just...
Oh,
Who's that?
oh, Zoe.
No. Abby.
Abby.
Abby, yeah.
Snake.
Who's that? Who's Circle?
Circle.
Who is that?
Snake.
I don't know.
Square. Square for snake.
Square.
Triangle.
Triangle, yeah.
It's good job. Good job.
Good job. Say something.
Good job. Good job. Can you dance? Ooh, what's that? Annabelle likes that.